how you can delete your Wispr Flow subscription. So it's very simple. All you're gonna have to do is to go to your Wispr Flow app, and in the left down corner area go to settings and open plans and billing. Right now I don't have the pro plan, just pro trial, so I cannot show you how to cancel the subscription. But if you have the pro plan, here in this section, if you scroll down, you can cancel subscription and then confirm cancellation of that subscription. So it's pretty simple here in plans and billing inside your Wispr Flow account. And also, if you have your pro trial, it cannot be cancelled. You just have to wait until the pro trial ends. If you want a free month of Wispr Flow, just log in with this link in the video description, and we will both get 1 month of Pro for free. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.